Good morning, everyone. My name is Sagar Paruthi. I am a science tutor and a math tutor as well. Today is my demo day, and I'm very thankful to the Byju's that they give me an opportunity to present a demo on the science and the mathematical. So, I'm starting with the science this time. In the next video, I will share the math also. Right now, I'm sharing with the science only. So, let me share my screen. Yeah, I think my screen is visible to you. So, I'm going to start with the chapter. The chapter name is electricity. Electricity. In the electricity, I am going to touch today. The topic is Ohm's law. What Ohm's law experimental states that if I'm going to have a resistance and the voltage and the current, this relationship. So if I am transmitting the current, so I had got the graph experimentally that we have the V and the I, and we get the relationship a straight line. So if I have a voltage and I have a current, so I can say that if the voltage is in y-axis and current in x-axis, so I can say that V is directly proportional to I, and I can say that V is I into R. What is R? This R is known as consi- constant of proportionality. Constant of proportionality, and the V and or I can say that R is resistance to flow, resistance to flow. So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to V upon I. I get the relation R is equal to V upon I. Or if I'm taking an example of a one question to we can change the relationship. So if the three resistance are in parallel, one example, the first resistance, another resistance, second resistance. If I have a three resistance in parallel, second resistance, third resistance, all three resistance, and we have the voltage 220 watt. So here it is a connection, here it is an ammeter. The voltmeter is parallel to this connection, voltmeter is parallel to this connection. Okay, so current I is flowing here. It is the current I is divided into three part: I1, I2, I3. The resistance, for an example, resistance value is what? Resistance value is what? 100 ohm. I'm taking an example 100 watt. Under resistance of 50 watt, and third resistance is what? 500 ohm. 500 ohm. So I'm using three resistance. Just a second. It's 500. I'm writing again 500 ohm. So we have a three resistors R1, R2, R3. We have a voltage, the potential difference given is 220 watt. I need to determine the equivalent resistance and the current in the circuit. Here it is key, here it is key. So equivalent resistance, I need to determine the equivalent resistance also because it is a parallel connection, so equivalent resistance RP and the current in a circuit I. So how it can be determined? It can be determined by using the formula in a parallel connection combination. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Therefore, 1 upon Rp is equal to what? 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon second resistance is 50, third resistance is 500. So after taking in an LCM, I can say this LCM will be 500, or I can say this value will be what? This value will be equal to 5 plus of 10 plus of 1, which is equal to 16 by 500. So I can say that if I cross multiply this value, I can say that 1 upon Rp is equal to 16 upon 500. Therefore, Rp is equal to what? Rp, if I cross multiply this value, 500 upon 16 ohms. So this is the equivalent resistance. This is the equivalent resistance. Now next step is what? Next step is to determine, this is equivalent resistance. So next step is to determine the current. So the current I is equal to, according to Ohm's law, what Ohm's law say? I is equal to what? I is equal to, यहाँ पे हम क्या लगाएंगे? तो यहाँ this I is equal to, the Ohm's law states that V is equal to IR. The Ohm's law states that V is equal to IR, then R is equal to what? V upon I. You can say the relationship, that is R is equal to V upon I. Also I is equal to what? I is equal to V upon R. Also I is equal to what? I is equal to V upon R. So here I am using the formula V upon R. So equivalent resistance for the equivalent equivalent resistance in parallel. So V is what? The voltage given in the question 220 upon resistance. How much? 500 upon 16 already calculated. So after solving this, 220 into 16 upon 500, I get the current in the circuit 7.04 ampere. So the final answer of the current is 7.04 ampere. So I can calculate all the current by using the Ohm's law, and the connection formula. If these three resistance are in series, R1, R2, R3 in series, so the formula used for the equivalent resistance in series is summation of individual resistance. Rest is the same. So thank you so much. Hope you like the video.